How to view secure Wi-Fi protection activity on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, and click on security and privacy. So after click on security and privacy, scroll down and click on more security settings. So after click on more security settings, click on secure Wi-Fi. So after click on secure Wi-Fi, you will see, scroll down, and if you want to view secure Wi-Fi protection, so you will see protection plan is here. So click on protection plan. So after click on protection plan, now here showing you Wi-Fi protection activity. So after watching, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use secure Wi-Fi protection activity on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.